All these videos were made from a new website. And the good thing about this website is the website is free and it can create unlimited HD videos for you. Hey guys, I just found one website that you can use to create your image and to create your video if you are into faceless YouTube channel, and this website is offering all these things for free and unlimited. No capping guys, all these things for free and unlimited. You can create basically 100 videos in a day. So if you have been looking for a website that you can use to create all your animated videos, all your videos that can help you and all, this is the best website right now. And the good thing about this website is that you don't even need to sign up for it. You just need to just enter into the website and then you can just start creating all you want to create. So without further ado, let's dive right. So I'm going to be doing a screen record of all this, right? And I believe you will be blown away by everything I'm going to do today.
Tube metrics. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.
So, guys, this is a quick tutorial on how you can use this new website to create unlimited free image to image, text to image, and image to video um, animation, right? So that is, you will enter the text. The name of the website is via.com, via.com, and if you can see on the website, you see enjoy unlimited access to our free tools, and then it says subscribe to our to unlock. There must be subscribed anyway, but I think the benefit you get as a free user is very good. So it's important that you should use this website now for all your African folktale stories and every other story that you will want to use it for. So let's enter quickly. So first we are going to enter into the AI text to image. The AI text to image, you can just enter. You are going to see an interface like this, text to image online. So you just click on it. So it's going to come up with this particular interface where you will need to put your prompt. You will be seeing some ads. Don't worry about the ads. Just turn it down. I already have my prompt, so I'm going to just place my prompt here. I got my prompt from ChatGPT. So it's about destiny looking cartoon of a dog with superhero costume and so on. So can get your prompt from ChatGPT. And the good thing about this one is that you can set your aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is how you want your video to be, whether it's on landscape or on portrait. So most YouTube long videos are always on 16:9 aspect ratio, and then the portrait is 9:16 aspect ratio. So if you are able to put your prompt and then you put um, um your 16:9 aspect ratio, you can now click generate. Then if you see what it wrote there, it says your request is being processed. So you wait for a while. You can see that it's processing, and good. You can see how you just downloaded this type of a Mickey, and is it Donald Duck? Donald Duck a cartoon here. So with that, you can just click on this download button on the right top corner of that tab. So See, say file is being downloaded and you have gotten a very good image that you can use for your videos, right? So the next one now is that you are going to go back. You are going to go back. Going to go back to your the other interface, and you are going to go to image to video, this thing. If you can't find it, you just click on explore all to. Then you are going to see image to video, uh, generator. So if you are able to enter here, you are going to see upload your images. You click on the upload your images, and then you click on the image you just did, and then you click on done, and you see the image prompt, camera prompt. If you want the camera prompt, and that's a very good one because most image to video generator does not have camera prompt. So here you can only do 5 seconds, and then your video format is on MP4. Video dimension you can is on 769p, and then this one is on 24 SPS. So you can see it here. And then if you are able to get to this one, you impute image description here and use it to generate. You can still paste your prompt as per before, and then you click generate. I'm not going to do much things here, right? Because this is just a tutorial, but you will use your creativity to arrange the camera angles and all. And if you want me to teach you how to arrange camera angle, let me know in the comment section. Then you click generate and you wait for it. If you can see, it's saying unlimited and it's free. So if I successfully uploaded, so if you can see, this is the result it gave to us. This is the result, and you can see this result is very fine. I personally like this result. If you want to download it, you just click on the download button here, and then you can rename it anything you want. Let me just rename this thing Donald Duck. Donald Duck. But you can also rename it anything you want, and then you click download, and it's going to be downloading. You can open it. When you open it, you are going to see how it looks like. Just open it as play like this. So if you can see what is going on. So the image is so good. I want to zoom it in so that you can see. Even as it is here now, it's still very, very good. You can use video enhancer if you want to go on 4K. Maybe you want to do a content that requires 4K. You can use video enhancer to do it. Video enhancer can be found in InShot and InShot Pro. You can use that one, and then you can enhance it to make it 4K. So I hope you have learned how you can be able to generate your videos using this particular website. I am going to be creating more content like this. Our next video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can generate quality images for free and unlimited also. So bye for now. If you are watching with Tube Metrics, and I want you to like, share, and comment. Thanks for all your support.
Tube metrics. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.